Hey there, everyone. Today, I want to dive into a fascinating topic that has caught my attention: the unique money-saving hacks employed by the British people. I recently stumbled upon a video by a Canadian YouTuber, Alana, who moved to the UK over a decade ago and has been sharing her experiences and insights on her channel, Adventures, and Naps. In this video, she reveals some of the strategies she's observed Brits using to save cash, and trust me, it's an eye-opener. So, let's get straight into it. One of the first things Alana highlights is the classic British tradition of delaying the switch on of the heating as long as possible before Christmas. It's almost like a friendly competition to see who can withstand the chill the longest. And when the heating does finally get turned on, some Brits get creative with draft excluders and hot water bottles to keep the warmth in. I find this fascinating because it shows a real commitment to saving energy and money, and it's a fun challenge too. Moving on, Alana mentions the habit of reusing wrapping paper and gift bags. This is a brilliant way to be more sustainable and save a few bucks at the same time. It's a simple yet effective strategy that many Brits seem to embrace. When it comes to travel, Alana sheds light on the potentially expensive rail fares and suggests some clever alternatives. She talks about split tickets, off-peak travel, rail cards, and advanced single tickets. These are great tips for anyone looking to save on their commute or holiday travel expenses. It's all about being resourceful and planning ahead. Speaking of resourcefulness, Alana also points out the British love for DIY. Instead of simply replacing a broken item, Brits often try to repair it first. This mindset of making do with what you have is not only cost-effective but also environmentally conscious. Another aspect Alana touches on is the second-hand culture in the UK. Charity shops and online platforms like Facebook Marketplace are popular destinations for Brits seeking bargains. Alana suggests that this habit is deeply ingrained in British culture, and I agree. It's a great way to find unique items and support good causes. Now, let's talk about the beloved lunchtime meal deal. Alana describes it as super convenient, and I couldn't agree more. It's a brilliant way to get a balanced meal for a set price, and it's a staple for many Brits on the go. Museums and galleries are another highlight for Alana. She appreciates the fact that many of these cultural institutions are free to enter, like the iconic British Museum. This accessibility is a real advantage for anyone looking to explore and learn without breaking the bank. In supermarkets, Alana draws attention to the reduced food items, often marked with yellow stickers. She mentions the skill of spotting these hidden gems and how they can be a great money saver for those on a budget. It's a clever way to make the most of what's available and reduce food waste. Lastly, loyalty cards are a common sight in UK supermarkets, and Alana finds it incredible that so many places offer these schemes. She mentions the convenience of having digital versions on our phones, which is a great modern twist on an old tradition. So, there you have it. These are just some of the money-saving hacks that Alana has observed during her time in the UK. It's fascinating to see how different cultures approach these everyday challenges, and I hope you found it as interesting as I did. Until next time, keep exploring and learning, and maybe even try out some of these tips yourself. Closing shot of Alana's channel and a cheerful wave to the audience.